Hi everybody, I'm Ford from Epic Charter Schools. Welcome to the Healthy Habits Cooking Show. We're joined by Marsha Martin, our Healthy Habits Cooking Show specialist. And today we're going to be making taco soup. For this recipe, all the ingredients we need are 1 pound of ground beef, 1 packet of taco seasoning, 1 packet of dry ranch dressing, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 can of corn, 1 can of black beans, 1 can of pinto beans, and water. Okay. Let's get started.
All right, Ford. I went ahead and browned the hamburger meat for you, so that'll speed us up a little bit. If you want to go ahead and put that in the pan.
All that I said?
Yep, all that goes in there. Let's put those diced tomatoes in there.
Okay.
You can just dump them in. You don't have to. There you go. And a can of corn. I went ahead and drained that for you before we started.
Covering it all.
Good job, yeah. Okay. And a can of black beans. Go ahead and just dump that in there. There you go. All right, let's put the pinto beans in. Just dump those in there, give them a good tap. You got it. Okay, now we're gonna add in a packet. I'll put in the ranch dressing if you'll put in the taco seasoning.
Yep, ripped it too high. I ripped it a bit higher than I should have.
That's okay.
Smells quite good.
Good. Now let's add our water.
Okay.
Perfect. We're gonna stir all this up. Now we're just gonna let that simmer on kind of a medium-high heat for 20-30 minutes until it's heated through, and then we'll be ready to eat it.
Yeah. Wow, doesn't that look amazing?